In this video, we'll talk about sound, which is basically a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy produced by vibrations. Now, children, whenever you tap on your table or on the door, or if you have visited a temple, when you ring the bell, vibrations are created which produce a sound. Sound plays an important part in our daily lives. It helps us to communicate with each other. We hear a wide variety of sounds in our surroundings. Sound is produced by a vibrating body. Vibration is the to and fro or the back and forth motion of an object. If you strike a school bell, it vibrates and produces sound. If you pluck a stretched rubber band, it vibrates and produces sound. If you beat a drum, its stretched membrane vibrates and produces sound. If you blow a bugle, the air column vibrates and produces sound. Now, we'll talk about the musical instruments which you get to see in your daily lives. And music is the best way of relieving you from stress. The production of sound by musical instruments. The production of sound by musical instruments depends on the type of instruments. There are 4 types of musical instruments, namely the woodwind instruments, the string instruments, percussion instruments, and the brass instruments. The first one are the woodwind instruments. Woodwind instruments make music by blowing on the top or on a reed of the instrument, and you can see all the examples for in the slide, like the flute. Next are the string instruments, which make music by plucking or strumming the strings. So you can see the violin, the guitar, the harp, which are string instruments. Then are the percussion instruments. Percussion instruments make music by striking, shaking, or scraping them. For example, the drum and the xylophone, even the piano. Next are the brass instruments. Brass instruments make music by buzzing lips while blowing. So if you have ever been to any barat during the marriage ceremony, you must have seen these instruments like the trumpet or the tuba. Now, in this slide, you can see the musical instruments and their vibrating parts.